darling.
You too, baby.
Today is your day, man.
I know. Hey! How are you? She just called me dad.
Wow, she's wishing you well already.
I know, that shows I'm going to be a great dad.
Of course, you are a good man.
How are you, little one?
Dad, why do you abandon me and mommy all these years? Please come back home.
What did I just hear? What did she just say to you now?
She just called me dad.
You had a child and you hid it from me? You had a child all this while? Really?
Yeah, Babe! Babe! What happened? Babe! Babe!
What did she say? What did you say? Please, I'm sorry. My daughter, she talks too much. What happened?
This is the most embarrassing moment of my life. How would I have known that the man I was about to get married to has a child?
Bianca, you need to calm down.
You're telling me to calm down when it's clearly written on the wall. Even a little child can see the handwriting.
All I am saying is taking a decision in anger isn't the best.
Harrison had all these things mapped out. He just wanted to disgrace and embarrass me. Probably at the verge of the pastor saying, if you want this couple to be joined together, raise up your hand. The woman will just raise up her hand and put me to shame.
So where are we driving to?
Anywhere. Anywhere just to cool my head.
You want to abandon your wedding?
I don't care anymore.
Babe, please, I can explain. Just hear me out. Please.
What explanation do you have exactly? That you've been married with a child and you lied to my face that you're single, Harrison.
Babe, don't be ridiculous. I've never been married. I do not know that child from anywhere.
Really?
Babe, you have to believe me now.
Believe you? Of course you have to put a gun on my head for me to believe you. How do you explain that a child ran from nowhere and held you so passionately, calling you father and asking you why you abandoned her and her mother over the years? Harrison, you're lying to my face even when caught red-handed.
Babe, I swear on everything I hold sacred. I do not know that child. Look, I was even shocked when she was running towards me. You have to believe me now. I do not know the child.
You're still lying. You're unbelievable.
Babe, you have to believe me now. Babe. Bianca.
What kind of life is this I'm living? I'm living.
Babe, do you want me to help you with this?
No.
You good?
Yeah.
You know, you have your money, you have this big house, and you're still down to earth. That's one of the reasons that I actually love you.
You're my man. I'll do anything to make you happy. I love you too.
I love you so much. So what are we making?
Well, jollof rice.
I love jollof rice.
Same here. I know.
So what am I going to bring or what am I assisting you with?
Give me another plate.
Okay.
What kind of love is this I'm living? Oh, what kind of life? Oh, can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living?
Babe. Babe, I'm sorry. Babe, I'm going. Babe, look, I would never do anything to hurt you, please. Believe me, I'm sorry.
I can do anything just to make you feel happy. I can do anything for you, just for you to be happy.
Bianca, leaving your wedding scene was never the right thing to do. It wasn't.
What do you expect me to do? That child had a striking resemblance with him.
Your emotions should be controlled, not to override your sentiments.
Look, I cannot deny what I believe in. I met my man in the most untrustworthy profession, masseuse. I believe he must have impregnated one of the numerous girls he slept with.
Bianca, you shouldn't have thought about marrying Harrison if you don't trust him.
Irene, I love my man so much. I will not allow another woman take him away from me. I have to protect what I have.
Well, you need to be careful so you don't ruin what you've been building. Yeah.
Oh my God. I saw that small child won't take post and for my Gary.
Man, this is very strange.
I tell you, man.
But for real, you mean you don't know that child from Adam?
I could literally swear on it. I don't know that child from anywhere. Wasn't it before your very eyes that the mother came to take the child from the scene? I was even apologizing. Something else.
So, how were you able to convince Bianca?
Well, not 100%, but I applied all the format I could do in apologizing, you know. I ended up washing her plate at night.
Now you agree with me that you are a plate washer.
I agree, bro. Look, I had to do anything possible to make Bianca love me again. I don't want any troubles.
That's good, yes. Yeah. Oh, man.
It's all good.
Baby, what are you doing?
Hey, I'm doing the dishes and I'm about to prepare your favorite meal.
Oh, that's my husband. Husband material 1,000 yards.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Thank you. So tell me, how did your day go?
It went well. Guess what?
What?
I got you a surprise.
Oh, really? Surprise for me? Okay.
This is 1 million naira. All for you.
1 million naira, what for?
For making me have multiple orgasms and always making me happy.
Come here. Babe, thank you so much. You know you're the best thing that ever happened to me. I don't take you for granted.
I know.
Why don't you just run a quick errand here? Hmm?
Okay. Sorry. I have a call. Business. Okay. Yes.
Bianca, we need to go inside. We need to go inside. Bianca! Bianca, where are you going? Huh? Harrison! Harrison!
Bianca! Where is she going to?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Miss Bianca. Congratulations on the contract awarded to you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm so grateful. I've always looked forward to this day. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here are the document. Please sign.
A copy.
It's all right. Please make sure you start this contract as soon as possible.
I will, sir. Thank you, sir.
By the way, why are you on a wedding gown?
It's just a photo shoot for your brand.
It's all right, no problem.
Have a nice day, sir.
And you too.
Bianca, where the hell are you coming from? Don't sweetheart me! I said, where the hell are you coming from? Eh? After pulling up that embarrassing stunt in the church, running off our wedding the second time.
I'm sorry. I had a call from a commissioner friend to sign a contract worth 150 million naira. I heard the commissioner was going to give it to someone else if I didn't show up. I'm so sorry. How I got the contract is still a miracle to me.
And you couldn't tell me? Eh? What do you even take me for? You're taking me for granted?
Sweetheart, I am not taking you for granted. What I did for the both of us. That's my means of living. Let me ask you, where do you think I got the money I used to putting up the wedding? Besides, you don't have money. We can always fix another wedding.
And what are you going to tell the people at the church? My family! Your own family!
Honestly, I didn't know what to think at that moment. I couldn't afford to lose a whooping sum of 150 million. We can always fix this, baby. Please. Where are you going to?
I'm going to my house.
Harris.
Harrison, I still cannot fathom what is giving her guts. Which woman will abandon her husband on the very day of her wedding and run to God knows where? A day that is supposed to be the happiest day of her life.
My brother, you've seen it now. Bianca abandoned me to go sign a contract.
That is unbelievable. Wait. So she prefers signing a contract to her wedding. Ha! I've never seen this happen in my entire life.
You've seen it now. Isn't it obvious? She prefers it. But well, I wouldn't blame her. I don't blame her at all.
This is my problem with you. This is my problem with you. Each time I try to talk some senses into you, you keep saying things that has no meaning. Bianca loves you. Yes, she stood you up on your wedding day, in the very before of everyone at the church. Eh? Sometimes I wonder how shallow you can be in reasoning. Just because of a mere contract that worth nothing. Listen to me, Harrison, that girl is wicked and heartless.
Roy, calm down. What's the meaning of this now? This is my fiancé you're talking about.
So?
Besides, the contract you're talking about is worth over 150 million.
150 what?
150 million.
But what's the money paying to you?
Don't say anything.
150 million. But even at that, she's not supposed to abandon you. That's my problem. Yes.
I've always known you to be a lively person. But right now, she don't seem alright at all.
Going by the incident that occurred the other day at the wedding is enough to make someone not to feel alright.
Come on, Kate. It could happen to anyone. I mean, I am not bitter about it at all. Not at all. So, were you able to fathom what her reasons were?
I haven't spoken to her yet. I thought it's wise to come and apologize to you first.
Honestly, I feel pity for that man. The way she abandoned him there. It was horrible. How was she able to cope with that?
Well, I can't say. And besides, it's her husband now. They should sort themselves out.
Yeah. So, can I at least offer you something now?
Sure. Anything soft is fine.
I'll be with you in a minute.
Okay.
Harrison, why have you not been taking my calls, not responding to my text messages?
That's because you've refused to apologize for what you did.
Apologize for what? What did I do?
Bianca, you're really unrepentant.
Harrison, I have been calling you countlessly. You have refused to pick my calls. Anyways, I have fixed a date for another wedding. This is the invitation cards. Invite your friends.
Bianca, you fixed a date for our wedding without consulting me. Wait, I don't understand. Are you the person marrying me or am I the person marrying you?
Consult you for what? As a wedding planner? How many cards did I even give to you? Give it to me. Why did I give you this many cards? These cards are very expensive. The money I use in printing these cards can feed you for 3 days. Besides, you don't even have any meaningful person to invite to my wedding. So I'm going to give you just one. I hope the suit you wore the last time is still very much available because I don't want to hear stories. I will not buy another suit for you. And those your friends you invited the last time, I didn't like the way they were looking. They wore rumpled shirts. Tell them to iron their shirts properly. They shouldn't look like rat poison to my wedding. This is the card. Take. Get out.
I'm a single lady. I get the cash, I get money, I dey good to go.
Ingredients to bad rubbish.
Babe, this is a wrong turn. This is not the road to my house.
We're going to my house.
How? To your house?
Yes.
How can we go to your house? That's an abomination.
How?
Wait. After a wedding, a woman moves into a man's house. How will you be going to your house? What am I going to your house to do?
You want me to go to your house, your poultry? Are you serious? I should go to your house, your stinking house. Please, move on.
Stop this car.
What? Harrison! What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you? Eh? Why would you tell me to go to your house? I'm going to my house. If you're not coming with me, I'm going.
Harrison, get back into the car.
Get back into what car? And go where?
Are you out of your mind? You're embarrassing me.
Embarrassing who?
Yes, let's go.
I'm going to my house.
Harrison! Harrison!
Harrison!
What is this?
What happened?
He doesn't want to go to my house.
What? Harrison!
I don't understand this.
He doesn't want to go to your house.
Yes!
He doesn't want to go to your house.
Yes!
Why would you ask him to go to your house? Bianca, it's the right thing to do. He is your husband.
He is poor. His house stinks. I cannot live there. He has to come back. I can't even believe you're on his side. Are you serious?
I get the cash, I get money, I dey good to go. Get up on some
It's not typical that a woman moves into her husband's house. Why is my own case different?
Come on, Harry. You should have known Bianca well before jumping into marriage with her. Besides, her properties are yours now.
Look, I detest it when I'm being seen less a man. What's this? Eh? She even takes decision without letting me know.
Come on, Harry. Nobody is belittling you. All I am saying is to see reasons with me and move in with her. It's for your own good.
Look, maybe she's forgetting a man is a man, whether he has money or not. The earlier she gets to accord me the respect I deserve, the better for the both of us.
Okay, that won't be a problem. I'll talk to her, okay?
Better do.
I will. Please.
Sorry. Okay, let me just see you.
Boy, what are you doing here? How did you even get in here?
Honey, can you please calm down and hear me out? I acted under the influence of alcohol. Please.
Are you done? Do I look like a child that you can lie to? I gave you everything. I gave you my time, my attention, my love. Yet you chose to stab me in the back.
Please.
are you ready? Yes. Okay, so I need to go to the market now. Go to the market. Get food for the house.
Hi.
Hi.
Babe, you are dressed for work already.
Yes, I am. So, you didn't tell me you were coming.
Oh, don't I have right to dash in and out at my will?
Of course you do. You do. So, my sister, my kid sister Sonia.
Oh,
Yeah. Welcome, sir.
thank you. She looks exactly like you.
I know.
Full of life and very beautiful.
Yeah. So she'll be with me for a while and then go back.
Alright.
I'm running late already. I have to be on my way.
Right.
You're still around?
Yes, I'll wait for you to come.
Okay. Alright, sister. Have a great day. You too. Don't forget to go to the market. Alright.
All the best.
Bye. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Please sit.
My name is Roy, so you can call me Roy and not Sir, okay? You look very beautiful. Have anyone told you that before?
You just did. Thank you.
Alright. Please get me a glass of whiskey.
Okay.
What have you done?
I'm sorry.
You took advantage of me and you're here saying you're sorry. What if I get pregnant?
Are you a child? Don't you know what others do to abstain from getting pregnant?
What if my sister finds out?
Are you the one to tell her? Or will I be the one to tell her? See, please, stand up, go and clean yourself up before she comes back. Okay? I'm sorry.
Stop!
I'm sorry now. Please go and clean up. I don't want her to come back and see us like this now. Okay? Please.
Sonia. Sonia! Why are you sleeping at this time of the day?
Is that uncle?
Are you okay?
Yes, just slight fever.
Slight fever?
Yes.
Have you called the doctor for a checkup?
I was about doing that before I slept off.
You were about doing that? Go run a test, Sonia.
Okay.
Sonia, have I ever done anything wrong to you? Have I been treating you badly in this house? Why did you choose to stab me in the back? Have I ever deprived you of anything you asked for? Have I? And you chose to pay me back in this manner. I am asking you!
Please, I'm sorry. Please. Please, I'm sorry.
I need you to tell me the truth. And nothing but the truth. Who is responsible? Who is responsible for your pregnancy, Sonia?
Stop.
I am talking to you! Please, Uncle Roy.
Baby, it wasn't my fault. Don't blame me. Honey, you don't give me attention. It's either you are hurrying to work or you are tired when you return from work. What do you want me to do? I am a man and blood runs in my vein. Please understand. I am sorry. That day I came visiting, you left me without even caring how I feel. You can't even see it in my eyes. Honey, I am a man. And blood runs in my vein. What do you want me to do?
Get out. I said, get the heck out of my house before I do something stupid. Get out!
Honey, can you hear me?
I said, get out.
Honey, I am
Get out!
I am sorry.
Where are you going?
I'm going to work.
Remind me of the nature of your job again.
Bianca, what kind of question is that? You already know the kind of job I do.
I want to be very sure I am not guessing wrongly.
You already know I work as in my shoes.
I want you to quit that job.
Why?
Because I want you to.
Bianca, I can't just wake up in the morning and tell me to quit my job. Besides, I never complained to you that I was not comfortable with my job.
Why would you be comfortable with your job when all you do is press different women's breasts, massage and touch all their bodies? Why would you complain?
Are we being serious right now?
You're quitting that job and that's on period.
Bianca, you know that.
Look, I am not in the mood for unnecessary arguments. If you're looking for what to do, you can as well take off your clothes, follow me to the bedroom, massage me properly with all the strength that you have as a man, and get me pregnant. And I'll place you on 100,000 naira allowance weekly. Come with me to the bedroom. Now, this minute. I would like to have my breakfast now. Be quick with it.
What? Bianca, you're saying I should go make breakfast? Is it not your responsibility as a wife?
What's your sole responsibility as a husband in this house? Every full-fledged, responsible man that I know wakes up in the morning and go to work. What exactly do you do? Do you have a job?
Bianca, what sort of insult is this? I had a job. A good paying job that was paying me 50,000 naira monthly, but it was the same you that said I should quit the job.
So in this little head of yours, you think 50,000 naira can take care of us? What can 50,000 naira do exactly? Can 50,000 naira pay electricity bills? Can it pay water bills? Can 50,000 stock up the kitchen with the food stuff I use in feeding your ass? Can it? Go into the kitchen right now and make me breakfast, but snappy with it. Nonsense.
Bianca, sometimes I wonder what gives you the guts to speak to me in such manner. Look, if you know what is good for you, go into the kitchen and make your breakfast and stop portraying matrimonial laziness.
How dare you! How dare you talk to me in such degrading and demeaning manner? Are you out of your mind? Are you stupid? Did you ever pay my bride price with your hard-earned money? Did you? Answer me! Remember, I pay the bills. I call the shots. Go to that kitchen right now and make me breakfast, else you will not like what I'll do to you. Get out now, this minute. Leave!
This kind of life no balance well at all. But long ago, me face all that glitters is not gold. Abobi, if you need you must obey, or you go collect every day slap. She knows send that girl, full of herself. Oh, the very mean. Anything she likes, she do. No put in your mouth. If you want to put him out, you judge your day. No do. She do. If I know the man always give away. You judge your day. I'm a single lady. I know the love for both. Agent cash naka. I know the look your face. I'm a single lady. I know the love for both. Agent cash naka. I know the look your face. I'm a single lady. I get it cash, I get money. I dare good to go. Get up and so Madam Bumpers. Watch my cash, watch my billy. Madam Bumpers. Watch my cash, watch my billy. What kind of life is this I'm living? Can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Oh, what kind of life? Oh, can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Can she change one day? I love her so much. Can she change one? I love her. What kind of life?
I'd love to have peppered rice for dinner. Make sure it's not too spicy. And it should be very delicious. Make yourself useful by cleaning up that mess. Ain't I gonna get a hug? Peck?
I can do anything for you, just for you to be happy. Why are you treating me like a slave? Oh, no, mama, be more. Why are you treating
I'm tired of your sister's ill treatment. It is getting to me. Sometimes I begin to wonder if getting married to her was a mistake. Your sister commands me up and down. I even wonder if she's my husband. And if I'm her wife.
Come on, Harrison. I understand how you feel. Bianca loves you, but she's very difficult to come by. I assure you I will talk to her. The earlier she realizes you're her husband and a crown over her head, the better for her.
Do you know your sister woke up one morning and just asked me to quit my job?
Why?
Maybe you should ask her when next you see her. Because obviously I cannot just be in this house sitting down doing nothing.
Where does she expect you to get money to pay the bills as man of the house?
She feels I have nothing to bring to the table, where I'm worthless, because she has made money.
Come on, Harrison. I've told you to remove that mindset from you. Whatever she has is equally yours. As long as you're her lawfully wedded husband, I assure you I will talk sense to her.
It's okay. It's okay. Sorry, please, pardon my manners. I didn't even get to offer you something. What would you like?
Oh, thank you. I have to rush to the office. I have clients to attend to.
Oh, okay. It's alright. I look forward to hearing from you.
Of course.
Alright.
Bye.
It's your tonight. I am ready to do.
Hi, Bianca.
Kate, what are you doing around my office environment?
I was actually coming to see you. Been calling your line, you're not picking.
Oh, probably you called during working hours. You know how it is when I'm working.
I thought as much. Been meaning to ask you, what is going on between you and your husband?
Did Harrison tell you we're having issues?
Not at all. But it tells all over him, and I can tell. It only takes someone who's a psychologist to notice.
Go straight to the point and stop beating around the bush.
All I'm saying is, the earlier you start taking Harrison as your lawfully wedded husband, the better. Stop making him feel less a man. Husbands are crowned over our head.
I don't get it. Kate, did you come here to lecture me on how to run my family affairs? Are you serious? Look, I am not one of those clients that solicitate for your counsel. If you don't mind, excuse me. Are you serious? Are you that jobless? You come here to talk trash to me? I don't blame you.
Full of herself. Anything she likes, she do. No put to your mouth. If you want to put to mouth, you judge your baby. No do. She do. If I not there, man, always yeah, you judge your baby.
Hey, hi, baby. Hi.
Don't baby me. You not discuss our family affairs with people. Not another lie from you. What's your job specification again? All you do is stay in my house, eat my food, and then look for a gossip mate.
Bianca, you deprived me of my income. You deprived me of my income as a man. I did not complain. You made me do chores a woman would do. I still did not complain. Bianca, look, I'm sick and tired of this thing called marriage. I've had it up to here.
Wonderful speech. Magnificent. You should be ashamed of yourself for calling yourself a man with just 50,000 naira as salary. Let me ask you, all the while you've been working and earning that peanut, what have you been able to achieve with it? If not sleeping with different women that come to your spa, all in the name of masseuse.
Bianca, don't forget it was still in that same spa you met me before this thing called marriage.
What do you call a male whore again? Gigolo.
But long ago, ni face
Your wedding was all over the internet. It was a top notch.
Oh, story. You're just trying to buy me over. You think I don't know? It's 10 days after my wedding. You didn't come to check on me all this while. Even though I went for the grandeur social meeting, you wouldn't have escorted me home. And you call yourself my friend. Really?
I'm sorry, Bianca. You are absolutely right. I mean, there is nothing to justify my actions. I'm truly sorry. Forgive me.
But on a serious note, were you serious when you said my wedding was the top notch of town?
Absolutely.
Are
In
you
fact,
sure it's not your normal jokes, this girl?
it is no jokes. In fact, all the bloggers carried it. I'm surprised you didn't know about it. Have you been behind the word?
My dear, you know I'm always working. I usually don't have time for social media stuffs. My so-called husband, that dummy that I'm married, he's supposed to be updating me on what is going on, but no, he won't. All he's good at is bedmatics.
Bianca, calling your husband a dummy, is that necessary?
He is worse than a dummy. I know what I'm talking about. Hey, let's...
Hey. Can I have this?
Thank you. That's okay.
Jeez.
Are you blind?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Are you stupid? Are you senseless? You see what I'm talking about? I married a dummy with my hard-earned money. What is in this bottle now that he cannot just pour juice peacefully? Eh? There's nothing he can do. He's not useful at all.
Take it easy on him.
Please, I should take it easy on him. Someone that just ruined my expensive outfit. Listen, there will be no cooking in this house for 2 days. The money I'm supposed to use to feed your ass, I will use it to get another expensive outfit. Clean this place and get out. Nonsense.
Calm down. I think I have to be on my own.
Oh, my love. Yeah. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. That reminds me. The magazine we talked about. I almost forgot.
That's true. Let me get it.
All right.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Here. Come. Bianca! Bianca! If you don't see it, then leave it. Some other time. I'll be on my way.
She doesn't get the full of
After everything I have done for Irene, I pick her up from the dungeon, clean her up, put a roof over her head. And she had the guts to chase me out of the same house I bought with my money. God, what exactly do women want?
Yeah. Okay. All right. Useless people. It excuse your face. It excuse your face. If it easy, go buy am now. Go buy am. This guy don't form my hand. Which kind of thing be this? As I was thinking. Una go die for you. Shame to you. Shame. Somebody carry you. I shower like you. Nah, bed sheet.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine.
You're looking so cute.
You look so pretty.
Thank you.
Wow. So, what is your name?
Oga? Now, I know you won't carry go house. I mean you won't carry go.
Please, I mean no harm. Okay, alright. My name is Roy, so can I know your name?
Oga, I beg. I don't want drama. If you don't want to carry me go house, just shift. Shift, I beg, make I see customers.
It's okay, it's
okay.
okay.
Customer, I dey here. See now. I carry am.
Hello.
Whenever chop.
Hello.
Hi.
So how much is for the night?
Okay. 50,000. And I go do you well.
Just 50,000.
50,000, no. Ha! Just 50,000.
Alright, hop in then.
Really?
Yeah, it's a deal.
Okay. Handsome man.
So, let me open the door for you.
Okay. Customer. Get back. Come on, get back also. Shit. Customer, you know, see. Oh, yeah, turn your back. Turn your back. Ah! Only. Customer. Let's go. Customer.
It's okay, it's okay.
Customer now. Customer, why you Ashawo. No worry. Better person go come this night for me. No worry. No worry. Ashawo. Oga, you dey mad. You dey crazy. Ogu wan kill you there. Oh, Ashawo. Rubbish. After you go die. No worry. Person wey better go come. They no go pay you this night. They no go pay you. No worry. You see this my hair? I go get person wey can pass this one. Nonsense. Hi. This guy. Okay, I'm almost done now. Give me my money. Give me money now, they look me.
Please, Irene, can I ask you a question?
You want to ask me when next I will come, Abi?
No, not at all. Please, why did you choose to do a shower walk?
Okay, which kind of question be that one? No, they ask me that nonsense, I beg.
Sorry, don't be
I
offended.
know they like him. I know they like him at all.
Don't be
I
offended.
just tell you.
No verse. Maybe I did not ask politely, but I want to know why you choose to do this kind of job.
Person they choose to do this kind of work. Person they choose to do ashawo. Okay, na condition make the fish bend. So no they ask me, I beg. No ask me.
Okay, I am very sorry. But I still want to know why you choose to do this kind of job. Looking at you, you're too pretty. And you look very decent for this kind of job. Eh?
Well, if you insist.
Yes, I insist. Please talk to me.
I am the breadwinner of my family. I lost my parents when I was 5. I had to drop out from school so that my sister could complete hers. I have no one to help me. So, life has been very difficult for my siblings and I. My madam came to the village to pick me. She said she had a job for me. Only to get here and find out that this is kind of work. Yeah. She made me sign an agreement that I'll pay her up with a sum of 1 million naira.
What?
That is the only way I'll be free from her.
I've been able to pay 400,000. Remaining 600 to pay up. So please, the max.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay.
No, that's okay. It's fine. Don't worry.
Will you stop this work if I pay the remaining money?
Oh, Abeg, no, just go there. You're not the first person to make that promise. They disappointed me, all of them. So please, I don't want to hear it. Thank you.
Listen, Irene. I am not joking. I am not other men. I am Roy. I really want to see you off the street. I want to help you. Get you a good paying job. Give you a good life. You are too pretty for this job. Please. Deserve the best, okay? Take me to your madam. Take me to her, let me clear up the debt so that you'll be free.
I will.
Thank you.
I don't have any problem if you want to pay for her. But the only problem I have with her is that the money she's owing me is 1 million naira.
Madam, now. Madam, she can't give me 400,000 naira. It means it's
Shut up! Shut up! I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to this young man standing here. Ashawo.
Madam, it's okay. Please calm down. I've heard what you said. But at least can we bargain?
It's like she didn't tell you the kind of person I am before you came here. Like I said, my money is 1 million naira. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay? As a matter of fact, will you shut up? Let me
Madam, it's okay, please. Okay. Madam, please call your account number.
Yeah?
Yes.
Are you serious? You really want to pay for her?
Madam, she's too decent for this job. I need her off the streets. Okay? Please call.
Decency. Decency is my handwork. In fact, I trained her very well. She can cook. She can wash. She's good in bed. She can wash. In fact, there's nothing she doesn't know how to do.
Madam, no, you train me. No, you train me.
Shut up! Was I talking to you?
So, madam, can you now call the number?
Two-one.
Okay.
04.
Okay.
56.
Okay.
54.
Okay.
28.
What bank?
Crystal Bank.
Alright. Juliet, go.
That's it.
I just sent you 1.1 million.
Huh? What?
Thank you.
You can keep the 100,000. Relax. Okay? Relax. It's my money. Honey, please, don't. It's my money. Honey? I got this place for you. I hope you will like it. For you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you serious?
For real. Is all yours?
This is beautiful. Thank you so much. Probably I don't know where to start from. I mean, you made me a free woman. Now, a roof over my head. You even got me a job. I am grateful. Thank you.
Honey, all thanks to God. And I am glad that I'm able to put smiles on your face.
Indeed.
You see, seeing a pretty lady like you on the streets, it's detrimental. It's not good at all. Yeah.
Tom, what were you doing there in the first place? I guess you've been coming there.
Well, truth be told, it wasn't my first time. But when I saw you, I felt something strange in me. So I had to press on. And see where we are today. Irene,
Yeah.
you are an epitome of beauty. Yes. And no man will see you and turn his back. You are so beautiful. And I love you. Thank you. Baby, you sounded so urgent. Said you want to see me.
Yes, I have something important to tell you.
Okay, go on.
Babe! Baby!
Yes, dear.
Please come. Yes, I did. Roy, meet my boyfriend, Paul. We've been dating for years now, and he has been so supportive. Paul, meet Roy, the guy I told you about.
Oh. Welcome. Thank you so much for bringing my girlfriend and I out of poverty. My God will definitely bless you. Okay?
So, you mean you know that she's doing a shower walk and you are still dating?
Well, yes. I knew she's been doing a shower walk and we are happy. I love her. It was unfortunate I couldn't help her balance up her mother. But thank God you're here to help us. Like I said, my God will bless you.
Amen.
God. This girl tell me no. So she have a boyfriend and I spent my money thinking I'm going to marry her. Ha! Man, this life no balance.
Roy, are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm okay. Okay. Fine. In that case, your boyfriend will have to work for me for 5 years as a git man to pay me all that I have spent on you.
Okay, sir. There's no problem. I will just do anything you want. Like you just said, I will do it.
Okay, it's okay. Don't mind me. I was just joking, okay? Yes. I didn't do what I did for her to get something in return. Okay, I was just joking.
Thank you.
Okay, I will have to be on my way.
All right. All right. Take care, let's go. You're welcome to my face.
Thank you. Can I sit?
Yeah, of course. Sure. So, what do I offer you?
Food. I'm famished. I've not had anything to eat for the past 2 days.
Really?
Yeah.
Bianca did not make food for you? How could she be this mean towards you? I don't know why some women, they don't appreciate their God-given husband. Like, really? Harry, listen. Don't worry. Anytime you want to come to this place, just feel free. Any day. Whatever you want, I'll give you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me quickly make something for you.
Oh, thank you. Babe. I need to ask you for something.
What is it?
I need like 4 million naira to start up a business so I could assist in footing the bills in the house.
What business are we talking about?
I want to get a car and register it for Uber.
You want me to give you 4 million naira so you can get a taxi? So you can start carrying women all over the place? No, I don't get it. You want me to be an object of ridicule to my friends? So they'll say Bianca's husband is now a taxi driver? You're joking.
Oh, baby, it's for business.
I am not giving you a dime. You want to rub my name in the mud? Are you out of your mind? Here, take this list. Go to the market and buy everything accordingly.
Bianca, how do you expect me to go to the market and get these things? I thought that's your obligation as a wife.
How much is on the list? How much is written there?
620,000.
Give me. Now give me the money so I can go to the market and buy these items. Transfer the money to me now. You don't have any money, right? Mr. Obligation. Take! Whose obligation it is to take care of the family? Is it not the man? Whose obligation to put food on the table? Is it not the man? Whose obligation to do everything that concerns a family? Is it not the man? Are you doing any of them? You're here talking about obligation when you're not close to any of it.
Bianca, must you remind me every time we have a conversation about who is footing the bills in this house? Do you even care to know how I feel?
I don't care how you feel. I don't care how anybody thinks. I work so hard to feed your ass. I work so hard to put food on the table. Go to the market and buy these items. Don't stir me to anger. Don't piss me off. I work so hard to put food on the table. I work so hard to feed you, a grown man. So don't get me angry, please.
Mr. Cocky.
There's no fuel in the car. Use keke or get a taxi, or better still if there's no one trek. After all, you're a man. What's going on here? Are you organizing any party?
They said the food items I want to use to prepare something.
For how many people?
For the both of us.
For the both of us. How? This quantity of rice for the both of us? Is this how you waste food? Anyways, I don't blame you. You don't have a job. You don't know how hard it is to make money. That's why you can waste food. I do all the hard work. All you do is sit down and waste my money. How can you prepare this quantity of rice for 2 people? Really? Church rats. Listen, don't piss me off. Return this rice immediately. Return the rice now! Nonsense.
Are you kidding me? What sort of a woman would be so saucy to her husband just because she has money? Why?
There's a saying that goes, when a woman gets to have money more than her husband, she tends to be bossy and authoritative. My sis is a typical example of it.
So wait, what have you done about it?
What have I not done about it? The last time I tried talking to her, her response was so weird, as if I pressed further, it would have been disastrous.
You know, it's only a widow that can tell how important her husband can be, no matter how rich or poor he is.
You're right. I've already spoken to her husband about the plan. I pray it work out perfectly as planned.
Okay, in that case, I'll try my possible best. I mean, we'll talk to him.
Pack this thing here.
No, go.
Harrison! Harrison!
Hey! 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 Welcome.
Who packed this thing here?
I did. This the car I got via hire purchase for my business.
You did what? I thought I asked you not to become a taxi driver. Why are you bent on making me a laughing stock amongst my friends? Why are you bent on disgracing me? What is wrong with you?
Babe.
If I go in and come out, I do not want to see this carton here.
Babe, this is not a carton. This is the car I got for my business.
Listen, you are under my roof. And as such, you must be obligated to the rules in my house. It is my instruction that you will not become a taxi driver, and that is final.
Now listen to me. Gone are the days you subject me to staying at home without doing nothing. The earlier you get used to this, the better for the both of us.
What are you looking at? Get out! Harrison! Harrison, you will not come back to me! Harrison!
Are you serious? Wait. Don't tell me you're back to town.
Yes, I'm back to town. Where do we meet?
Well, I can't wait to, you know. I know you miss me too. I do. Okay, but wait, you know, ever since you've been in that abroad, you have a high taste. Well, just look for one of these fancy restaurants, so we'll just go cool off. After then, we'll do some Netflix and chill. Yeah. Okay, you know what? I will just text you the address. I can't wait for my beard to feel this chill, yes. Dripping. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's fine. No, yeah. I'll text you the address. See you soon, baby. See you soon. I love you too. Bye.
Where are you going? I'm talking to you, Harrison. Harrison! Honey? Harrison? Your phone is ringing.
Oh.
Hi, Ansel. Sorry for waking you up.
No, it's fine. I'm awake.
Oh, really? I was just thinking about you and I decided to hear your voice. I missed you.
I miss you more.
Maybe I just wanted to be happy for you, okay?
Thank you for being there. And I love you.
I love you too.
Bye.
What was that? Who were you on the phone with? Harrison, you're telling a woman that you love her in my house, on my matrimonial bed. Who does that?
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot it's too much more in your bed.
What are you doing?
Oh. Your matrimonial chair. And your matrimonial pillow. Good night.
Baby, don't do this, please. I'm sorry. Come to bed. Please. He hasn't got into this now, Harrison.
Hello, Harrison. How is it going so far?
It's going pretty for him. It's just that she's been a bit difficult.
You know her kind of person. She keeps things to herself, no matter how emotional it is. I believe it's telling on her.
You think so?
Of course, it's a gradual process.
It's alright. I have to go now, okay?
Alright.
Alright.
Are you sure?
No, I'm serious.
I believe you, darling.
Okay. Oh, yeah, babe. There's something I've been meaning to ask you.
Go ahead, anything for my baby.
Of course. Look, babe. I would need like 5 million to start up.
Will 10 million be enough for you?
Yeah.
It's okay, I'll give you the 10 million.
Babe, you give me 10 million naira. I'm short of words. Thank you. Babe, thank you so. It's enough. 10 million naira. It's enough now. Thank you so much. Oh, babe, I love you. Yes. Oh, don't worry. This night, I'm going to do you some, Bye, baby. Kisses.
Who could be this person calling him on phone? Because I know Harrison cannot afford buying airtime to talk that length on the phone. I heard I promised Harrison 10 million. Bianca, you have to do something very fast before you lose your husband to some random woman. Yes, I need to act fast.
So, have you told him?
No, I haven't.
You haven't? You can't be serious. You mean you haven't told him all this while? Eh? That's too much now.
I was following my instinct.
Really? And your instinct didn't tell you that you are overdoing things? Yes, you're overdoing things. Okay, if I may ask you, why did you tell him I am your boyfriend?
Well, if you must know, I told him for my peace of mind. I mean, you know how you guys behave. When you do something for a woman, you always want something in return. So in order to scare him away, I had to tell him you're my boyfriend.
There is something about him. I thought he would get upset and take back everything, as in the house. As you told him I am your boyfriend. Eh? What if you finally notice I'm your brother and not your boyfriend? Don't you think you end up losing everything?
Well, he messed up and I asked him never to come here again. Never.
How did you mean he messed up?
Never mind. How is Sonia?
Well, Sonia is in the village with her pregnancy. Irene, see, if I get to see that person or get hold of that man that put Sonia in that family way, I swear he will ever...
Well, enough. Eat your food. Talk too much.
This chicken is very strong. I don't know how to break it.
It's not easy to leave it there. Leave it there. See if you get your money to make it.
Irene, I'm telling you, I couldn't believe my eyes. Harrison was comfortably laying on my bed, making love calls with another woman.
Unbelievable. What gave him the guts?
The other day, I overheard him making phone calls. The woman was promising him 10 million naira to start up a business.
It is very obvious. It is written all over the world. I mean, how can a man you feed, clothe, provide shelter over his head, behave like that with you? Why?
Irene, if I find that girl, she will not like what I will do to her. Let me not find her.
I think it's time you throw him out of the house. I mean, talking to a woman in your house. The next thing is to bring the woman in your matrimonial bed. Throw him out.
Is Harrison stupid? That man is playing with fire. He is biting the hands that is feeding him.
The only thing you will do is to throw him out of your house. That is the best way. Else he will do worse. He will do more.
You're right. I'll see to that. Let me go, please. I'll talk to you later. I'm just pissed.
Take it easy.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Take care.
Harrison! Harrison!
What is it? Why are you shouting my name? I can hear you.
What is your picture doing with another woman on social media platforms?
That's my page, right? Oh, yes, that's my page. I have it ready to post anything I want to post.
No, you don't. Look, ain't you ashamed of yourself? You condescended so low to take picture with this horse, this animal, this dirty thing?
Bianca, don't you ever call my friend a thing again, or else?
Else what? What are you going to do? Oh, you've now grown wings, right? You are now a man. You cannot talk back at me when I'm talking. The data you use in posting those pictures, who owns it? Me! It is my hard-earned money I use in buying it. Everything you own belongs to me. Even the shirt you're wearing belongs to me, and you have the guts to take a picture with another woman. Even the dress you wore to pose amorously on that picture belongs to me. I bought it with my money. Everything about you, I own it. I own you. You have no right to take pictures with another woman. Even the phone, where's that stupid phone? Even that phone you use in taking pictures belongs to me. Do you have anything? No, do you own anything? The things that other men brag that they have, what do you have? Even pants, I bought it for you. Everything, even this your beard. Isn't it my money you use in growing it? The cream you apply on it to grow the beard, is it not my money? Yeah, for me, fine boy, no money. You are annoying me, Harrison. I polished you. I picked you up from the gutters. The gutters that you used to swim in, that dirty gutter. I picked you up and brushed you. Now you think you can now carry stupid, dirty women and post pictures with them. To think after taking pictures with that dirty woman, you brought yourself to my house and sat on my couch with that dirty body you used to take pictures with her. Let me remind you that you are under a roof. And as such, you are obligated to the rules.
To hell with your rules. I don't give a damn.
You don't do what? You don't do...
Bianca, if
ever, I repeat, if you ever raise your filthy hands to hit me again, the breath from my nostrils will blow you away like a whirlwind.
To hell with your concubines! I don't care! This is my house, you're under my roof, and I own you!
Cash, I get money, I dey good to go. Madam Pampas, Hachikwa Kashia, Hachikwa Billy Billy, Billy Billy, Madam Pampas, Hachikwa Kashia.
Any positive result?
The truth is, look, I don't even know anymore. I'm afraid this whole thing doesn't seem to be working.
Are you sure you're playing your game well?
I am. Bianca is just being a hard nut to crack.
All we need now is patience. I believe things will work out well.
Are you sure this will work?
I'm positive.
You're here.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Listen. So, what can I offer you?
Nothing. I'm fine actually.
You sure?
Yeah. So you said you wanted to see me?
Yes, I said so. I mean, I've been having this backache. Oh my God, I mean, everywhere here. It's been hurting. Please, can you help me massage it?
You know why I actually don't do this job anymore? Yeah.
Okay, but I still want you to help me. Can you still help me here, just behind my neck?
I mean, you could actually visit this part. There are guys there that could help you at this part. I don't do this anymore, yeah.
Listen now. I mean, if I wanted to go to the spa, I wouldn't have called you. So please, here, please.
Irene, I think I have to get going.
Why? Listen. The truth is that I love you.
What? What did you just say?
I'm sorry if I hurt you with my words, but is it truth? I'm in love with you. Listen, I don't know why people like crave for. I don't get to have them. The reason you deserve to be treated like a king. You deserve a loyal woman, not some kind of pompous lady out there.
Oh, okay.
I will treat you like a man that you are, a real man that you are.
Irene, where is this coming from? Where is this whole thing coming from?
From my heart. Listen, I truly love you.
Okay, take it back to your heart, okay?
Harrison. Bianca. I was wondering why is it taking you so much time to throw that idiot out of your house? The earlier you throw him out, the better for you. I mean, there are many fishes in the river, so I don't know why you would choose a bunga fish. Do not let him ridicule you. ASAP. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Babe, why don't you meet up at the lounge just after Crystal Touch Studios? Oh, okay.
This kind of life no balance well at all. Bolongamu ni fashion no. All that glitters is not gold. Abobi okay for need you. You must obey, or you go collect every day slap. She knows say that full of herself. On the very mean. She do. No put in your mouth. If you want to put him out, you judge your baby. No do. She do. If I'm not there, man, always yeah, you judge your baby. I'm a single lady.
Yeah, you are. So you are the urchin that wants to reap from where she did not sow. I beg your pardon? Don't beg for my pardon, because you will never get it. Listen, stay away from harassing my husband. Else...
And what will you do, Bianca? What will you do, tell me?
Oh, else you will regret existing on planet Earth.
So you're the devil incarnate in human form. You actually have the guts to follow me down here. Coming here to want me to say off your husband. Bianca, do you know the value of a husband? Do you know the value of a husband? Do you know what it takes to keep a husband? No, you don't. Just because you have a little change and a roof over your head, you think you've made it? Hell no, you've not. Look at you. You have the nerve to come here and talk to me, Bianca. Now let me tell you, you see Harrison is my man. Yes, he's my man. I don't joke with him. And I will not welcome anybody or anybody come close to him. Or anyone who would look like you to come even an inch close to Harrison. Just take a good look at yourself. Oh wait, let me remind you, I'm actually working on his flight to relocate with me back to abroad. And trust me, darling, you will not and never set your bloody eyes on him again. I promise you that. Miss Pompon.
If care is not taken, the husband of my youth, the handsome gift that God gave me, will slip out of my hand. I cannot afford to live with disgrace of being tagged a divorcee. What do I do?
Hey, wait. You can't say you want to have 5 kids. 5! No. 2 is okay. 2. Hey, look. Okay, 3 is fine. 2 boys and a girl.
My love. Food is served.
Yeah, I do.
My lord.
Babe, hold on. Yeah, I'll call you back. Yeah. What did you just call me?
I called you my lord.
Do I look like your personal savior?
I made your favorite food. I want us to go and eat.
Really? So you can go into the kitchen and cook?
Honey, please, let's not talk about this now. Let's just go and eat. Your food will get cold, and you know you don't like eating cold food.
Wait a minute. What's going on here? All of a sudden, you know what I like and don't dislike. Oh, it's no longer Harrison. Take this list and go to the market. It's no longer Harrison. Go and make me lunch. It's no longer Harrison. Go and wash the toilet. Why this wicked and heartless? Eh?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. All that is in the past now. Can we please just go and eat together? Like husband and wife should do.
Go and eat your food. I'm not hungry. Ah, hi.
Hello, Harrison.
Hi, good to see you. Good to see you. Please sit.
Thank you. I was on my way to the office. I saw your call, so I had to stop by. How is it going?
Everything is working as planned. It's going perfectly well.
That's good news.
Bianca went to the market. Yeah. She got some stuffs, came back to the house, cooked, and served. She even pleaded I come eat with her.
So she'll come around. So what did you do?
You needed to see her face when I rejected her meal. I never imagined Bianca could be that sober.
We're a few steps to accomplishing our aim. You have to please stubborn this time around. Keep your fingers crossed. Don't let her buy you with her emotions.
Are you trying to tell me she's not changed yet?
Bianca is my elder sister. She hasn't changed yet. I will tell you the right time to succumb.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your efforts and your support, okay? I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I really have to rush to the office.
Oh.
I have clients.
It's fine. It's fine. Good to see you once again. All right. Bye.
Sweetheart, you're indoors, you didn't go out. I got you lovely stuff, so you like them.
I never told you for celebrating my birthday.
Honey, it doesn't have to be your birthday before I can gift you. Come on, check them out. They're lovely. Very expensive shirts.
I don't need them. I already got some from the woman that values me. Yeah, besides, Flora got me some. So I don't need it.
Baby. You know I get hurt whenever you tell me that another woman is taking care of your happiness. I care about you.
No, you don't. No, you don't. You care about me and you subjected me to emotional violence. You care about me and you make me feel less a man. You care about me and you turn me to a house boy. You care about me and you starve me in this same house. You know what? I don't want this. I want out of this. Besides, you wanted to end the relationship, so I want out of this. And hey, the reason why I'm still in this house, taking all this bullshit, is just to save your face.
I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry. I didn't know what came over me. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Please.
Oh. I'm sorry. It's too late to cry. When the head is cut off.
What kind of life is this I'm living? Can she change one day? Can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? What kind of life is this I'm living? I'm living.
Honey, I'm sorry. Please. I'm so sorry. I want you to touch me. I want you to cuddle me. I want you to make me feel like a woman, please.
Have you ever made me feel like a man? Eh? My marriage with you has been filled with regrets from the church. And as for having sex with you, I have lost the urge. I see you as my fellow man right now. So please, I beg you, just let me be.
I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
Hey, please. See, I beg you in whatsoever name you serve. Please, let me sleep in peace. I beg you.
Baby.
We are one right now. We are together till death do us part. Can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Can she change one day? I never know it with her like this. Can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Can she change one day? Baby, I am changed right now. I have realized all my mistakes. I thought with my money, everything is possible. I was a fool. Oh yeah, I was a fool. Please forgive me. Now I know that submission is the ultimate. I am ready to do the needful. Please forgive me. Ready to do the needful. Forgive me. Can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Can she change one day? Can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Can she change one day? Right now, we are together till death do us part. Can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Can she change one day? I never know it with all like this.
Good morning. Good morning, handsome.
What is this doing on my body? I never told you to cover me.
It was cold, so I decided to cover you up.
Bianca, leave me alone. What is it now? Leave me alone. Let me be.
Me, I will stay away, please. Forgive me, please. I cannot leave you alone. I'm sorry for everything I did to you. I don't want to lose you, please. Forgive me.
Bianca.
I cannot leave you for another woman. Please.
Bianca. If you think I'll be moved by this your cheap crocodile tears, you must be joking. I hate you.
Honey, please, please, please don't do this.
Let go of me.
Forgive me. Can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Can she change?
So Harrison now brings women into my house. Harrison! So you now bring women into our home and make love to them on our matrimonial bed?
I beg your pardon.
Don't pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about. Where is she?
Where is who?
Where is she? Where is she? Where is she, Harrison? I'm talking to you.
Bianca, what is it? You sounded urgent on the phone. Are you okay?
Irene.
You're crying.
Irene, my home is crumbling.
I'm losing my husband.
Is this a kind of joke or what? You're crying for Harrison. Like, really? That low life. You're crying for that excuse of a man. Come on. Bianca, don't do this to yourself. What are you doing?
I don't know what to do. I can't even think straight. My life is falling apart. I don't know what to do.
Bianca, you're embarrassing me right now. Really? You're crying for Harrison. Bianca, you have everything. Like all the qualities to get a man of your choice. Harrison does not watch your tears. He doesn't want it. Stop this. Listen, what you do to an expired product is to trash it. Whatever that validates your marriage with Harrison has gone sour. So let him be. Let go. Bianca, please, stop crying. It's okay. Yeah, it's fine. Stop it. Stop crying.
We are one right now. We are together till death do us part. Can she change one day? What kind of life is this?
Crying. He doesn't deserve you. Stop this.
What kind of life is this I'm living? Can she change one day?
Now let me tell you, you see Harrison is my man. Yes, he's my man. I don't joke with him. And I will not welcome anybody or anybody come close to him. Or anyone who would look like you to come even an inch close to Harrison. Just take a good look at yourself. Oh wait, let me remind you, I'm actually working on his flight to relocate with me back to abroad. And trust me, you will not and never set your bloody eyes on him again. I promise you that.
Baby, I am changed right now. I have realized all my mistakes. I thought with my money everything is possible. I was a fool. Oh yeah, I was a fool. Please forgive.
Wait, hold on. It's okay. Hold on. Okay, I'm coming right to meet you. Hold on, I'm coming.
Where are you going, sir?
I can't remember being obligated to you telling my whereabouts.
You can't possibly finish answering a woman's call. And you're going out to see her and you expect your wife not to ask you where you're going to.
Come on, stop me, Bianca.
And I will stop you until you tell me where you're going to and who called you on the phone. I am your wife. You owe me an explanation.
Bianca, get off my way. Don't dare me.
Harrison! The gods. I'm ready to throw him out now.
Now you're talking. I am solidly behind you. I think this is the right time to get him to myself.
Marrying a man who disrespects me is what I cannot tolerate. Since you have always wanted space, I have given you a whole lot of it. Pick your things and never return to my house again. I am done with you and this so-called marriage.
Why are you going to this ungodly hour? What happened?
My friend threw me out.
Bianca threw you out? What? How could she be this wicked? It's fine, I'm here. Just put your things in the car. Let's go. I'll take you.
No, it's fine. I'll fix myself. Maybe just look somewhere or something.
This is the one problem that is wrong with you guys. You will fix yourself by this time? How do you intend to do that? Please get your things in the boots.
What kind of life is this I'm living? I'm living. Can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Oh, what kind of life? Can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Can she change one day?
It's been a few minutes I entered. I haven't seen your husband, Harrison.
Point of correction, ex-husband. I threw him out. Where he is, I don't know, and I don't care.
What do you mean you threw him out?
Can you believe this, kids? Harrison left my house in the middle of the night to go see his numerous concubines. A married man at that.
What time did he leave?
10 p.m.
I was actually the one that called him. I was very, very sick. I needed to go to the hospital. I called you, but you weren't picking, so he was the next person I could quickly call. So he rushed and took me to the hospital, promised to come back in the morning. I waited, but I had to tell the doctor to discharge me.
Wait a minute. You were the one that called Harrison? Oh my goodness. What have I done to myself? Where do I find my husband? What have I done? I can't believe I messed up again.
Honestly speaking, I don't know what to say now. How could you have made such a drastic decision?
I don't know what came over me. I need to call Irene. I need to go to her house so she can help me look for him. Oh my goodness.
I was a fool. Yeah, I was a fool.
I don't know what came over me.
Please forgive me.
Oh my goodness.
Now I know.
What have I done?
That submission is still tonight. I am ready to do the needful.
Are you saying you've not set your eyes on Harrison for a long time now?
Madam, you don't tell. Never, even you like this, you never tell. In the house.
Where do I find him? My goodness. I need to see Irene right away. She needs to help me find him.
I can do anything just to make you feel happy. I can do anything for you.
Good afternoon. Do I know you?
I'm sorry, I know you don't remember me, but on the 15th of March was supposed to be your wedding. My daughter was the person that ran up to your husband and started calling him daddy.
Your daughter? Have you succeeded in destroying my marriage? No, have you succeeded? Why would you be pregnant for my husband in the first place? What's the meaning of that?
I'm very sorry. This is just a very big misunderstanding.
How?
My daughter, she has this thing for fair guys. You know, her father, my baby daddy, left us so many years ago without even explaining anything. So now anytime she sees a fair guy, she just thinks he's her father.
Oh wait, you've never met my man before?
Never seen him in my life. I'm so sorry for any inconvenience we may have caused you.
My goodness.
I never knew it with a like this. Can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Can she change one day?
Hold on.
Hi. How are you?
What are you doing here?
You should at least let me in first now.
I ask again. What are you doing in my house?
Irene.
Irene. Please come and check this if there's no salt in it.
Harrison is the reason you have been avoiding me, Irene. Huh? A man you attended his wedding? Irene, I am ashamed of you. A pig will always remain a pig. And as for you, Harrison, so this is what you do. And what? A shameless married man flirting around with other women, yet you accuse Bianca to be the devil. Harrison, you are a disgrace to marriage. Dirty pig.
Roy, it's not what...
Harrison, listen. Don't mind him, okay? Listen. Do not take what he said to heart.
Who wouldn't take this thing to heart? Eh? By seeing both of us like this, who?
Why are you complaining? We didn't even do anything.
Look.
Why are you worried when we didn't do anything?
Irene, what's going on here?
Bianca, it's not what you think. It's not what it looks like. I can explain.
You advised me to throw him out of my house. Not knowing you have interest in him. You are a devil. I caused the day we became friends.
Listen, Bianca!
listen. Have you seen the repercussion of what you did? Have you seen it? Now what do we do now?
Oh, leave me alone. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just so confused right now.
Hey! Hold it there.
I'm sorry. It's the handwork of the devil.
Yes.
I didn't mean to do any of that. I'm very sorry, please.
Really?
Yes. Sorry.
You're sorry?
Yes.
Sorry, it's too late to cry when the head is cut off. Irene, after everything I did for you and your boyfriend, I gave you good life. Good life worth living. A roof over your head. Irene, I gave you a good paying job. But what did you do to pay me back? You chased me out of my own house. I decided to let you leave. To let you continue living. Not that I cannot chase you out of this house. But I bought this house to support you. For bringing you out from that dirty life you were living.
I'm so sorry. Sir, we are sorry, please.
Yes.
We are sorry. I'm her brother. I'm not her boyfriend. Yes.
Oh. What a joke of the century. Okay, so she staged you as her boyfriend to keep me away from her, right?
We are sorry, sir.
Congratulations, because your trick worked.
I'm sorry.
But you know what? We have come to the end of the road. Yes. I cannot allow you to keep living in this house.
Please.
Hey. I wouldn't want to force you because you will not like it. Your time starts now. Now, guys, in the next 2 minutes, if they don't get out of this house, go do them out of this house. Get out!
Back with him.
Imagine.
Hello? What? Accident? Where? Okay, I'll be right there. What happened?
As a result of the incident, she was driving and drinking. She lost control of the car.
Oh my God. Babe, I'm so sorry. Babe, I'm sorry. Look, nothing happened between Erin and I. Please.
It's okay. I should be the one apologizing to you, Harrison. I have not been fair towards you. I have been maltreating you. I'm sure it was my ill treatment to you that pushed you to do what you did. I'm so sorry.
Babe, it's okay.
Harrison, I found out that child is actually not yours. I should have listened to you.
It's fine. It's fine.
So sorry.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Henceforth, all documents to my properties will be transferred to your name. Henceforth, I will be the good wife you've always wanted me to be.
It's okay. We shouldn't be talking about that now. Just know I love you.
I'm sorry, everything.
It's fine, babe. I love you. Okay?
I love you too.
Love you. Please, let's go see the doctor.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, baby, please don't leave me. You stay with me.
Okay. Please come with the doctor, okay? Thank you.
What kind of life is this I'm living? Does she change one day?
Come in. Oh, you have a beautiful place here. Thank you, darling.
Honey?
Hi, honey.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Meet my friend, Sonia. We actually bumped into each other and she decided to come around. Sonia, meet my lovely husband, Roy.
Hi, Sonia. You're welcome.
Hi. Nice to meet you. Don't worry, make yourself comfortable.
All right, thank you.
Honey, let me get us something to drink.
Oh, okay. Please don't be long.
I'll be back soon.
Okay, babe.
Sonia, what are you doing here?
You think you can ruin my life and enjoy yours to the fullest?
And what is that supposed to mean?
You got me pregnant and abandoned me to suffer. You made me suffer emotional pains of going through gestation period without a paternity care. Right?
Sonia, you and I know that whatever that happened between us was a mistake.
You see how myopic you are? You call that a mistake? My sister found out I was pregnant and chased me back to the village. Do you know what your lack of self-control cost me?
Spare me all that. Both of us enjoyed the act, didn't we?
Really? I have a son who is bearing your name.
What?
Honey, I'm here. Hope you were not bored.
No, not at all.
Okay. So here is yours.
Oh, thank you.
Honey.
Yeah, baby, thank
Shall I
you.
feed you? Don't worry, feed yourself. My love.
Here, baby.
Actually, my husband is so sweet.
I can say that again.
I mean, he's the best husband any woman could ever have.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah?
I'm right?
Very correct.
And as a matter of fact, he dare not look at another woman.
Exactly. I don't even dare it.
I know, and I trust you.
Of course, you should trust me.
Honestly, that guy was so funny. I mean, what was he thinking? That I was going to marry him? A bully? Hell no. Not when God has given me an angel. Sweet, loving, and caring husband.
You can say that again.
And I will say it always.
Come to think of it, babe. It is better marrying a bully than marrying a rapist. Yes. Oh, Roy, am I not right?
Oh, you're absolutely right.
Oh.
You know what? Both don't deserve a woman as a wife.
Now you are talking.
Honey, can we please observe table manners?
Oh, no talking.
Men, if you meet one who is not a bully, he's either a rapist or a total beast. Men,
My
you
sister.
can never trust them.
Ah!
Honey, what does not talking mean?
No talking.
Good. Honey,
Yes, darling.
honey, I am not comfortable with your friend staying with us.
But why? It's just for today.
Honey, she shouldn't have come at all.
Are you having eyes on her?
Come on. How could you say such a thing? I'm not.
Well, what were you expecting me to say? Sonia and I have been best friends even before we got married. She has been so supportive. She is the only friend that I have. So please, please, learn to accommodate her for my sake, darling. Please.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay? I'm going to give it a thought.
Thank you so much. Now.
You know what? You can now go in I will join you shortly.
Okay, I'll be waiting. Why not help me get up?
Oh, all right. Easy.
Okay.
I'll join you soon.
No problem. Make sure you don't waste time.
I won't. Sonia. What's the meaning of this?
What about that? Look, you have to do anything I ask to make me happy.
Meaning?
I need you to make love to me right here and now, just the same way you did it in my sister's house.
Will you get your hands off me, you dog? Are you mad? Have you gone insane? I should make love to you in my sitting room when my wife is in the room? Are you not? Listen, I will not do such.
Then watch me tell your wife you have a son with me.
Hey, come back here. Now listen to me. If you think you are going to place me under some sort of blackmail, you better have a rethink. Because I am not going to make love to you.
I can see you're determined to beat your unborn child and wife goodbye.
And what are you going to do today?
Don't worry about that. When the time comes, you'll know.
God, how did this devil get her way into my house?
Thank you for having me. You know, it was my pleasure having you around. Right, darling?
Thank you, my pleasure too. Thank you so much. Nora.
Yeah?
There is something about your husband you don't know about.
What could that be?
He's a kind-hearted man. Caring. And from the look of things, he's a good husband to you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I have to run along now.
Okay.
I'll miss you, babe.
I miss you too.
Take care of yourself, okay?
No problem.
So, I'll come back next time. Maybe when you put to bed, I'll come and stay like 1 week or more.
Feel free. You're always welcome. My home is yours.
Oh, you can say that again. Go ahead. Take care of my friend. Oh. And continue being the good. Okay.
Of course he will. He will. Bye. Bye. She's such a nice friend.
For sure. You have a crazy friend here.
Oh yeah. She's my very best and good friend.
Oh, honey, is her coming back again necessary?
Come on, why not? Let's go. You know I would love to have her around next time, so don't worry. Dorcas! Dorcas! Dorcas!
What is it?
Oh, please, help me with the remote.
Wait, did you call me out here, leaving what I was doing inside to come and give you remote?
Dorcas, you know I'm pregnant and I can't even move my legs.
Also because you are pregnant, I should clap for you. As the first woman to ever get pregnant. See, let me tell you, if you cannot stand up to get that remote yourself, don't disturb me, oh! Dorcas! Don't disturb me! My work in this house is in the kitchen, not to come and give you remote.
Dorcas! Are you to me rudely in my own house? Dorcas, come back here! What? What just happened? Did she just walk out on me?
Hello, my precious Joel.
Honey, you're welcome.
Thank you. How are you and my little king in here?
I'm fine. But as for your little king, why don't you ask him yourself?
Okay. Hello, King. How are you? And the weather over there? All right. Daddy just returned. Please, my regards to your siblings, and we're expecting you soon, okay?
What did you say?
It is between father and son.
Really? So, are you trying to tell me I'm not important?
Come on, honey, I never said so. Of course, you know you are the most important thing to me.
Anyway, it's fine. You know what? Just go inside, freshen up, while I set the table. Hmm?
All right. I'll be back in a jiffy, okay?
All right. Dorcas! Dorcas!
Honey?
Yes, darling.
Hey! Wow. Thanks for the meal. I really enjoyed myself. The doctor told me that he was here earlier today.
Yes, he was. I was so tired that I couldn't go to the hospital for antenatal, so I invited him over to the house.
Okay. Okay. Honey,
Yes, darling.
remember your condition. You don't have to be stressing yourself much, okay?
I'm not stressing myself. I'm okay.
Yes, I have not seen Dorcas since I came back. Where is she?
She should be in her room.
Okay.
Honey, Dorcas is beginning to put up some funny attitude that I do not understand.
How? How do you mean?
I asked her to help me with a TV remote, and she asked me to pick it up myself. Could you imagine that?
What nonsense? Is she blind to see that you are pregnant?
I don't know. Even I myself, I was so surprised.
Honey, it's time I fix some senses into that girl's brain. Dorcas!
Oh, no, please. Don't do that. It's not necessary.
What do you mean it's not necessary? Isn't that act of irresponsibility?
Honey, I know, but I fixed that already. Okay?
This is the reason I said I don't want a housemaid in this house, but you insisted. Now see what is playing out.
But my love, what were you expecting me to do? My friend told me she's good. How am I supposed to know that everything is going to end up this way?
Your friends told you she's good until she kills my unborn baby.
God forbid. Not my baby. Babe, how could you say a thing like that?
Honey, no. You don't deserve all this now. Look at your condition, and the girl you brought to this house will be disturbing you.
Listen to me. She can never kill our child. Okay? So next time, don't say such a thing again.
Fine. I withdraw that statement. But
it's okay. You know you just finished eating. You have to relax. Calm down. I'm sorry. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. I'm okay.
Hello? Dorcas, what is going on here? What's the meaning of this nonsense? Smoking and dancing at my compound? Are you mad?
I'm sorry, sir.
I was bored inside. I decided to come outside and entertain myself a little.
Sorry for your stupidity. You're sorry. How many times have you seen me smoke in this house? Is the TV in the sitting room not enough to keep you company? Then you turn my house into a club. Listen, if this ever repeats itself again in this compound, I'll be forced to throw you out of this house. I want my wife not to bring a house up into this house, but she don't want to listen. Now throw that cigarette away. I said, throw it away. Rubbish. Let this repeat itself again in this house, and you see what I will do to you.
Honey, you're running late now. Where are you? I don't want you to miss your flight.
Almost ready.
Women and their delays. I don't want you to miss your flight now. Where are you? Hey, you look so good. Look at you.
What is it?
I'm gonna miss you.
I know. But don't worry, I won't be too long, okay? You know my work. When they give you an assignment, you have to carry it without wasting time. You know, if given an opportunity, I will not hesitate to be in your arms. But I have to go, my love.
It's okay. It's okay. Besides, it's for the family, so yeah. Safe trip, okay? I love you.
Love you too.
Okay, let's go. I hope you're not forgetting anything.
Nah.
Okay.
Are you kidding me? Honestly. Wow. Oh my god. Wait, it's like, are you surprised to see me? Come on.
How did you get my resident address?
Oh, stop, please. Are you not happy to see me? Oh my god. You know, you really have a nice place here.
Thank you, but how did you get my address?
Oh, stop it. Stop acting like you're really happy to see me. Excited to see me.
Well, I am, but...
But what? Oh. Wow. Wow. Like, sorry, won't you offer me something, Harrison?
Sorry, what can I offer you?
Whiskey will do.
I thought you said you don't do alcohol.
Oh, really? I say that? Oh, well, there's always a first time. So, I crave for alcohol right now because the atmosphere is out, so I need whiskey. What?
Nothing. Let me get you a drink.
Thank you.
What is she doing here? I thought our game has ended long time ago. What if she has come when Bianca was still around? Moses. Flora, hey, it's late. It's late. You have to leave. It's late, okay?
Mercy.
It's late. You have to. Hey, enough of the alcohol. Enough of the alcohol, okay? Okay, hey. Enough. You have to leave, alright?
Mercy. Oh. Harrison, take me in. Take me home. Oh. Harry, I want to lick you. Harry.
What kind of a problem is this now? Eh?
Harry, say, baby.
I don't even know where she lives. Where am I taking her to? I shouldn't have even given her alcohol in the first place. What kind of wahala is this one? Flora, hey, come on. It's late, okay? Flora, it's late. Come on.
Take me inside, please.
Flora, what are you doing here?
I'm scared.
Scared? Scared of what?
When I was sleeping, it's as if somebody was pressing my neck. Somebody was pressing my neck.
Pressing your neck in this house? Okay, it's fine. I'll take you to another room. Okay.
No. Please let me stay here with you.
Flora, you can't stay here. This is my matrimonial bed.
It's okay, fine. If you don't want me to stay, I'll lie on the floor.
It's okay. It's okay. You can stay here.
I can share your bed with you?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, sorry.
That's fine.
I can lie here?
Yeah, you can.
Please cover me. Hey, darling. Aww. How are you? Hope you had a good night rest.
Why are you still wearing my shirt?
Come on, babe. Stop it now. Why are you so harsh? Are you chasing me out of your house already?
I thought you were supposed to have gone.
You know...
What's going on here?
Hi, Kate.
Hi. And what are you doing putting on Harrison's clothes?
I can explain. She came visiting and was drunk and couldn't leave.
She slept over. I'm disappointed here.
You see what you have caused?
What? What did I do? Why is she troubling because she saw me wear your top? What if she caught me on top of you? What would she do?
You must be very, very crazy. Look, by the time I get in there and come out, you have left here.
Harrison, stop.
My friend, come on!
Harrison, don't finish it.
Get up! Get up!
Wait!
Get up! Get out of my house! Hey! Get up!
Harrison, wait, Harrison.
Get up! Get out of my house!
It's me, my... Harrison, it's your baby.
Come on, get up! Get up! Get up! Come on, get out of my house! One second.
If I say I will come out today, process.
Dorcas! Dorcas! Where is this girl? Dorcas! Where is my wife?
I think she's inside.
Okay, let me not bother her. Please get me fresh orange juice.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bring it here, bring it here. Thank you. Where did you say my wife is? Where is my wife?
My wife?
Can you please call the doctor for me?
Doctor.
Can you please help me and call the doctor, please?
Okay.
Call me my wife, please. Doctors, call me my wife. I am dying.
Okay, drink more. Maybe you should take more.
Doctors.
Drink.
Call me the doctor, doctors. Call me my wife. Call me my wife. Doctors, I am dying. Please call me the doctor. Call me the doctor. Please, I beg you in the name of God, doctors. Doctors, please. Please call me the doctor. Call me my wife. Call me my wife.
Hello? Mission accomplished. Now when am I getting my balance? Hey, now he's lying down. He's lying down here, dead. He's dead. Do you want me to snap him and send to you? Okay, no problem. Please, I want my balance. I will send you the picture now. Just wait. One man down. Mission accomplished.
Therefore, so you were the killer they sent to kill me. Ha!
Babe, no vex. I beg.
I beg.
Not the devil. The devil.
The devil, right? Alright. When you meet with the devil, you will tell the devil that you could not kill me. You will tell the devil that you did not succeed. God, I should have known. Well, I am waiting to see the person that wants me dead. I am waiting. Demon in house help clothing. Looking for who to destroy.
Sorry, sir. I beg.
Hello, officer.
Huh? Officer.
Please, are you close? Alright, sir. Please hurry up.
Hey.
Thank you, sir.
Oga, abeg, move it. See, I be small pikin, oh. Forget this body with this. I be small pikin, Oga, abeg.
Small pikin, you get mind to kill person. But you have the mind to poison my drink. You think I will die? Devil. Hey! Come on! Don't like this! Don't like this, my friend! Devil! Yes, that was your calculation. Squatter! That was your calculation. But no, I'm not dead. So it's you. You are the brain behind all these attempts to damage my life. When your attempts to scatter my marriage did not work. Yes, I did not die. Don't worry. You all will rot in jail.
Oga, I beg. It's my first time, I beg. Now I'm gonna make me come do this job, I beg. Oga, I beg.
Sir, please.
What up, man?
I don't want to rust in jail, please. I'm a final year
student. Don't worry. You will graduate in jail. Okay? Sir. Officer, move these people away. My boss! Arrest them! Move in, my boss! Move in, my boss! Take them away! Move! You are a devil. I always know that you are a devil. Move! Take them away! Move! Move, my friend. Move! Honey? Honey? Nora! Honey? Honey, what happened to you? Doctor.
Mister.
Please, how is my wife? How's she doing?
She's fine. She's responding to treatments. I believe she fainted because she lost her strength while hitting the door.
Please, is the baby affected?
No, not at all. All she needs now is good rest.
Okay.
And from my observation, I think she will put to bed in a few days' time.
Thank God. So you mean in the next few days I'm going to be a father?
Exactly.
Oh, thank God. Doctor, I really appreciate you, okay?
No problem.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Roy, you're welcome.
All right.
You're welcome.
God, thank God.
I never had anything. She came to the house the other day and she asked for alcohol. I just had a couple of drinks and she got drunk. Okay, there was no way I could take her to the house because I didn't know where she stayed. So I just offered to let her stay, but truthfully, nothing happened.
Well, I believe you, but you have to be very careful. Don't give in to make propaganda.
I promise. I won't.
Is that right? I have to rush to the office.
Okay. Thank you. All right. See you soon, right?
All right, bye.
How did you know? Oh, anyways, yes, right. You deserve a kiss, man. Yeah. So, when are you coming back, babe? 3 days. 3 days is fine now. 3 days looking like 3 weeks already. Somebody's son is missing here. Babe, hold on, please. Let me call you up. What are you doing in the house?
Harrison, I've come to stay. This is my husband's house.
To stay where?
Here.
Huh?
Harrison, it's me, your baby.
Hey, who's your baby? Don't touch me. Are you normal?
Harrison, it's me, Flora. Come on, you know.
Come on, don't. What? Ah. Take your things and get out of my house.
Harrison.
Pick your things and get out of my house. Are you deaf? You're not going anywhere.
I'm not going. Harrison, come on, it's me, your baby.
What is wrong with this? Get out of my house.
It's me, your
Hey.
baby. It's me, your baby.
Thank God you are here. Thank God you are here, kids. I was on the call with my wife, and this Homo erectus of a person just barged into my house, saying, I'm here to stay. Eh?
Flora, what exactly is your problem? We did the job and we paid you handsomely.
Exactly.
What else do you want?
Kate, I'm a human and I have feelings. I started developing feelings for Harrison ever since I started playing along to make Bianca love him. What's my offense? Yes.
You must be out of your mind. You must be out of your mind. How can you develop those soft feelings? Eh? Were you not paid?
Really? Harrison? Okay, fine. I have to make this clear to you and Kate that I am not going anywhere because I have come to stay. Harrison, I love you. Can't you see? Please look into my eyes.
You lie. You lie. We did a job and we paid you very, very well. So you don't have any business with Harrison. If you know what is good for you, pick your box and leave.
Okay, fine. If that's what you want, I am not going anywhere. I am not leaving. I am not going anywhere because I have come to say this is my husband's house. Kill me if you want to. I'm not going to my husband's house.
Look, let me tell you something. Don't make me do something stupid.
Do anything to me, Harrison. I love you.
Husband.
Harrison, only Fanny. I love you.
Hey! Don't make me do something you would not like.
Do it to me.
Bundle her out!
Come on! Get up!
Me, no say name. Mo wa jókòó ni ẹjọ́ kan mi mo wa jókòó ni fi mi na mo stop fún ẹ.
Bundle her out!
Kò ní dá fún ẹ.
Get up! Stop!
Who be that? So who would that
Amos, who is there?
I don't know them.
Yes, good afternoon. Yeah, so how may I help you?
Good day, sir.
Good day.
My name is Belinda, and she's Gift. We came to look for our brother, but he seems not to be around.
Okay, why don't you try calling him on phone?
We've been calling his number, but he's not reachable.
Oh, I see. So, what do you need me to do?
If you allow us stay in your house and wait for him, once he's back, we'll leave. Please, sir.
It's okay. It's okay. Come in. Come in. Amos.
Thank you, sir.
Not the gates. Come in.
done, I mean.
Well done, sir.
Good day.
How may we help you, sir?
We are here to see you, Oga.
My boss?
Yes.
So who will I tell him is looking for him?
Just tell him that some men are here to see him.
2 men are here to see him, no name.
My brother, the fence your ear. Please go and call your boss.
Oga? Oga? What is it? Some men are beginning.
Yes, good day.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
I am Inspector Philip, and with me is Sergeant Ben.
Okay.
We are here to search this house.
Search my house. Why?
Well, as he rightly said, we are here to search your house, so please compose. Oh?
Do you have a warrant?
Of course.
Yeah, sure.
It's okay.
But are you the only person staying in this house?
Yeah, my wife and I live here, but she's traveled. Gentlemen, here, this way.
What?
Officers,
Yes, So please, can you show us around, please?
I can't explain this.
You can explain what? You want to explain that you are not a kidnapper?
Officer, I'm not a kidnapper. They only came to my house and planned to stay and wait for your brother. I don't know what's going on here.
So how did they end up being tied like this?
Officer, that's what I can't explain.
My brother, please, can you shut up? You are a ritualist.
Officer,
no, look at how you tie these young men up. I know this is how your tribe normally use them for rituals, and definitely you go on social media doing giveaway claiming as a man.
Officer, they only came and pleaded with me to stay and wait for their brother. I don't know what is going on here.
My brother, you are under arrest for kidnapping.
You're wicked.
You see?
Officer, you don't want to attack us up like this.
Is it Mike?
Like this. You're very wicked. Oh, you kidnapper. He's a wicked man.
Don't worry, you are safe. You're safe. Chief.
You're wicked, man.
My brother.
Officer, I get you arrested. Look at what you did to us.
Officer, I don't know what is going
My
on.
brother, please, can you keep quiet?
Officer, arrested.
Don't know.
Officer, arrested. After when I said that he said he was going to use us for ritual. That's
Sir.
what you said.
Officer, I never did anything.
You
see?
I will walk back.
I said it. I will deal with you. My brother, Officer, please, you are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do, be used against you in the law court.
Look at my hands, officer, my leg.
Officer, please.
Chill. Please, after him. Alright. Calm down. You are safe. Alright, let's go.
I know nothing of sort. Officer,
You don't know what? Wicked man.
Calm down, you're safe.
Officer, move. Hey, move. Officer, please now.
Wicked man.
Officer, take him away. You are very wicked. After kidnapping us. You must after kidnapping us. Look at my hands, look at my leg. He was stabbing on my face.
Sir, that is a lie. I don't know these girls.
It's a lie. And you kidnapped us. How did you get into?
I am seeing you and Jay. You see you and Jay? Very close.
Officer, I don't want to
take him away now. You must
Did
go.
you hear her? You broke this one hand and
Look at
broke
my
this one
hands,
leg.
look at my
I
leg.
did not touch these girls. Listen to me.
My God.
You are a wicked man.
Yeah, wicked man.
Will you give them 1 million naira each?
Yes. Officer, I cannot afford such money.
You can't afford it.
A ritualist like you.
You are not serious.
A
By
ritualist.
the time we get to the station, you will know better.
Officer, we're wasting time. Take him
Put
away.
your hand
Take him
behind
away.
you.
Officer, please, sir.
Put your hands behind you.
Officer, my wife is back.
And so?
I don't know this name. I don't know this.
You're a liar. You're a liar. My face very wrong. Stop stopping me. Don't know me.
Officer, you don't touch these girls.
You did. Look at my leg. You matched me. You matched me. You almost stole my clothes. You matched me.
Who is your wife?
Officer.
Wicked man.
What's going on here?
I have talk.
Honey,
Explain to her.
What's going on?
honey, I don't know. This man came to suicide.
Happy birthday, my king.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, the excellency of my peace, my ecstasy, my water. Without you, my life will be dehydrated. My odogu, the one who gives me joy and peace. Happy birthday, darling. I love you too. This is your new ride. Enjoy it.
This is for me.
Yes, all yours. Music!
Wait, no, this.
You're welcome.
What kind of life is this I'm living? I'm living. Can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Oh, what kind of life? Oh, can she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Can she change one day? And love her so much. Can she change one day? I love you. What kind of life is this I'm living? Love you. Can she change one day? I love you so much. I can do anything just to make you feel happy. I can do anything for you. just for you to be happy. Why are you treating me like a slave? Why are you treating me like a commoner? I am your husband, for goodness sake. We are one right now. We are together till the earth do us part. Does she change what kind of life is this? Tonight, does she change one day? I never knew it with her like this. Does she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Does she change one day? Baby, I am changed right now. I have realized all my mistakes. I thought with my money everything is possible. I was a fool. Oh yeah, I was a fool. Please forgive me. Now I know that submission is the ultimate. I am ready to do the needful. She changed one day. I love you. What kind of life is this I'm living? Love you. Does she change one day? I love you so much. I can do anything just to make you feel happy. I can do anything for you, just for you to be happy. Why are you treating me like a slave? Why are you treating me like a commoner? I am your husband, for goodness sake. We are one right now. We are together till the earth do us part. Does she change one day? What kind of life is this tonight? Does she change one day? I never knew it with her like this. Does she change one day? What kind of life is this I'm living? Does she change one day? Baby, I am changed right now. I have realized all my mistakes. I thought with my money everything is possible. I was a fool. Oh yeah, I was a fool. Please forgive